Pinapunta kaming lahat ni Pangulo today kasi talaga he wants to provide the fastest relief as fast as we can. That's why Sec Rex is here, Sec San is here, our secretaries ng Minda is here. So, unang-una, report nga ako for DPWH. So, all roads are passable. National highway is passable. May damage pero minor. No, pero may mga malaking damage sa mga local roads. So ngayon, ang inutos ng Pangulo natin is lahat ng assets ng DPWH ipinasa na namin sa local government units. So yung mga nagki-clear starting kahapon, ano na yon, no? Nasa kamay na ng local government units yon, kay Mayor at kay Governor, no? So para wala nang bureaucracy. So tuloy-tuloy na, no, ang clearing. Maraming mga barangay roads, especially leading to the mountains, ang tinamaan because of landslides and may mga nasira. So we're currently clearing all of that.